Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Roddy. Today we are going to be looking at something a little different. It is, you wonder why I'm so packed up, because it's actually cold. I'm actually in Georgia at the moment, and bruh, it's ridiculous. But I have a little something. I picked up a little ride, you know. It was fairly cheap. I just figured I need a new daily, something to just drive around in, and let's check this out. Alright, so I picked up the Sign TC. Anyone wondering why I got Sign TC? It's a very reliable car, and this is what's going on with it. A little bit of damage. It was right off, and just figured, I could put this back together. Need a little bit of work, and shouldn't be that hard at all. Sign TCs are very popular, and I figured if I get one of these and I could actually build it, work on it, that's where we're going with that. So hope you guys enjoyed this little footage. I'm gonna take you through the process of actually, repairing this thing. Hey, kitty. What's up? It's really cold right now. It's literally 35 degrees where I'm at, and my hands are cold, so I won't be holding the camera for any longer because, yeah, it's kind of brisk. So I'm just gonna fly through the process. I gotta rip this fender off. So I gotta take the fender off, gotta remove the wheel. I gotta, basically go up under there and see what I need to fix, because I need to take this home tonight. I gotta take it home this weekend. Let's get into it. So, few things. This car it was a side impact. The airbags blew on it. Gotta replace those airbags. The seatbelt is fully engaged. Gotta replace that. Seatbelt is fully engaged, and there's only one way for it to be engaged like that. So people, please wear your seatbelt. Next thing about it, I should have paid a little bit of attention, but I bought this car online, and I didn't go to see if it start or anything like that, but it says idle on the website. But when I got there, someone has cut the cables. So now I'm just like, what do I do? What I ended up doing was I ended up buying some new cables, went to the salvage yards, get the cables for a fairly cheap price. And first thing I'm gonna be doing is actually fixing these cables and make sure that the car has power and that lights come on and that it can run. So let me go ahead and start removing stuff so I could get to see if this car actually starts. Alright? This is no joke. That is actually cold, bro. That's ice. That is ice, bro. It's freezing out here. Alright guys, so swap the wires out, and I just jumped it and it starts, so that's good. Now I'm just moving on to the wheel. Check this out, bro. Oh boy, that's crazy, right? But now I gotta go in here, and I gotta go ahead and replace the parts that's needed to get this going again. Alright, so you can see what happened here. The strut is all bent. That seems like the only thing, but I also have the little control arm around here that it's all bent as well. So this, I would say we'll have to replace the end link right here. That's a little bent. That's bent up as well. And I gotta do the axle. So let's take that out. All right. So at this point, noticed, got the little control arm out, and find that this here, my subframe, I had to really get that working, get it out. So now I'm gonna need a subframe, which is fine. It's totally okay. So now just put everything that I need right now just to get it home, and we should be good to go. You see, yep, it's all jacked up. Get the shocks, get the low control arm, it's all bent. Get a link, fender, and move over here where I got too much parts. Alright, so we're gonna figure that out. We got extra shocks, and we're just gonna put it all in. We got a lot of parts, but it's a good thing we have them. I worked in a body shop before, so I know that with a side impact like that, it's gonna need suspension parts. So I decided, okay, if I'm gonna change the suspension parts, I'm gonna replace both sides. So I replaced all the suspension parts on that one side, the driver's side, just so I could get it home. And once I got that done, I want to take you guys through the process of me actually fixing and working on it. So this way, in case if you were to actually buy a car that was actually crashed, you could actually work on it yourself, know what to look for, what the procedure going to be or might be. And now, this is my fourth take making this part of the video. You know why? Because it's 12:35 right now, a.m. And every time I go to press use the clip for this editing, I end up retaking it. Yeah, this is like my 5th time making this part, so I'm just gonna keep it very simple for you guys. The CELICA is no longer on the channel. Oh yes, I sold it. I don't have the CELICA anymore. I have sold it. It had a few issues. It was literally a dead trap in the rain. Yeah, kind of almost killed me a few times. Don't tell the guy about it. That main reason why I sold it, I love that car, my gosh. But the only reason why I sold it is because of it has a front timing cover oil leak, and for me to actually go ahead and fix it, it was gonna be a lot of time. So I decided, all right, let's get the TC. Let's do some few mods and stuff on it. Show you guys around the car. I will be doing the timing. No, I'm gonna be doing the transmission flush and also oil change, basic stuff. I love that car, but I really had to let it go, and it's one of those things. Oh, and it's really late. Keep sweet. One love. Little more. Yeah, I'm saying so a lot. So suck my big toe all the way to Mexico. No pun intended.